Hello everyone, welcome back to my little channel. So today we are going to be doing some orange vibe nails. You know, orange is, I don't know, trending right now. Well, at least with me, I'm really loving these orange colors. So I'm gonna be using four different colors. So I am applying the new Bright Glow number 6 first on this finger, and then I went in with the Cover Pink highlight, which is one of my favorite glitter nudes, and I am just going to lightly blend it down. So whenever you are doing an ombre or any type of blending, you want to make sure to very so lightly use the tip of the bristles of your brush and just like feather it up, not like applying too much pressure. With the body of the brush you pat down, and with the tip you blend, because if you use the whole body you're going to bring the full product and you're not gonna have like a seamless blend. And I'm going to do the whole top part of the nail with the cover highlight, and at the tip I decided to add a little bit of sparkle. This is part of the sprinkles collection. It is G19. It is super cute. I love this collection because it's mixed with like iridescent glitters with matte glitters. It's just really nice. If you hadn't already seen it, it was released in spring for Easter girlfriend, and I'm going to be doing this nail ombre as well, just the tip I'm doing first. And I was mentioning this on my live the other day, just in case you guys missed it. All colors with the Zulay logo underneath, they can be used for dip powder as well. So if you do dip, you do not do like acrylic monomer, you can definitely use them as a dipping method, and also of course the way I'm using it now. So I just wanted to let you know, not all of them, just the ones that have the Zulay logo underneath, they are 2-in-1. So for this one I'm using the Cover Peachy. I wasn't sure exactly as far as what my design was going to be, but I did want to include the Cover Peachy because I don't use it very often. I feel like I always lean towards the Cover Pink Nude because that one is more of a neutral color. And what else would look better with orange, girl? Peachy vibes or what? So I'm using the 2XL Coffin No C-Curve tips. As you know, these are my new favorite. I feel like every time I have a new tip, they're my new favorites because they just get better and better. And depending on the client, I don't really like to use C-curve nails because they just don't look good on everybody, and some clients don't like them, you know, like they're not used to it. So it's always good to have variety depending on the style of nail bed or the look that I'm going for is the nail that I choose to use. And also you don't want to use some super long nails on a client that's going to be really short, you know, the nail bed's going to be short. So always think of that when you're going to do a full set. Be like, so girl, what length you going for? And then they be like medium, then just use whatever shorter. Girl, don't use your really long ones on them unless that tip just makes the job easier, because you don't want to overwork yourself. Okay, this is something that I talk about all the time. You want to make sure to take care of your hands because long term they will start to hurt. So just keep that in mind. And for the ring finger, I'm just gonna do the full nail, the Cover Pink highlight, because I wanted to keep it kind of neutral but with a little sparkle. And if you're new to my little channel, please make sure to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up and a little comment. How's everybody doing? Happy Monday. Well, today's Sunday, but by the time when I upload this, you guys will probably be Monday already. I'm thinking of doing my nails again because, you know, we need content for this little channel. I do have some new sugar glitters, but I don't know if I should do my nails blue, not blue or purple. or yellow. Let me know in the comments what color I should do next on my right hand. I did do a cute Simple Vibes orange on my left hand live the other day, which is also on here. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. So similar, I don't know if I should do them the same but different color, because these are super cute. I don't know, let me know in the comments. Okay girl, and you know it's summer, so we needed to do some 3D flowers, and I love 3D flowers, so I was like, girl, let's do a sunflower. I've done sunflowers in the past. You could do them whatever color. They look fucking bomb in whatever color that you choose. I'm using the Bling adhesive and some of our crystals from the website. These are not Swarovski. None of the ones that I'm using for my practice hands are going to be Swarovski. They are a nice alternative for those of you guys who don't use those crystals, and you know, in the future when we're not able to get our hands on them, you know, we got backup. Okay, they're really cute. I believe the ones that I'm using are the new Moonlight, and the other ones I don't remember the color, but I'll make sure to add them to the description just in case you're interested, because they look kind of cool. They have like a hint of purple. I'm not a big fan of purple, but recently I've been kind of digging it. I don't know, Señora Life, you know. So I just went ahead and applied a size, I think it's like a size 16 or 12. I can't tell because I'm a little blind right now. I don't got my glasses. In the center, and then put some gold beads around and some little diamonds around that to make a flower in a flower, you know. And I'm gonna be using 2 orange colors from Zulei's Nail Shop. The light color I believe is number 20 something, I don't remember, but I will add it to the description. Actually, I think it's sold out already, so it doesn't matter if I add it or not because we don't got it. I'm sorry. And I'm using the same orange color that I used on the other nails. So this is the way I do the 3D flower. You just dip it into the lighter color first and then the darker one. If you're going for a two-toned flower, this is number 4. I like to use number 4, number 6 for larger petals because they do hold more monomer. So depending on what you're going for is the size of the brush that you will need. I did put a little bit of acetone, I believe, in my monomer so it could speed up the drying time, but because it's kind of hot, you don't really need it. Depends if you're in a hurry or what your room temperature is like where you're working at, so make sure to just throw in a few drops and it just makes it super easy. So I like to place the bead in the next to the bling, not too close where it'll like run towards the diamond, and then just lightly press in the center and slightly pull. And if for whatever reason you do not get to like stretch it out all the way, you can always add more like I did on the first petal. There's no rule that you can't do that. But yeah, it just takes practice. You just want to make sure to press when it's a little more on the dry side, because if it's too wet, it's just gonna come back together and you're gonna have to keep pressing and pressing. But I already have the hang of it, so I kind of know when it's time to press and when it's time to pull. But just practice it, girl, and you will get the hang of it too. This is super easy. Well, at least, I don't know, 3D has always been pretty easy for Zulei. I've struggled with a lot of other things, but decoration has always been my thing. I just cannot draw for shit. So, sorry, gals, I can't do that. And I loved the sunflower so much that I'm gonna add another one. I'm gonna be doing one in the corner, something smaller. So you could always change this design if you think it's too much going on. You can add or take some away, or you know, whatever you want. I'm just trying to get to you, like I wanna make you mine. Yeah, I'm just spending all my thoughts on you, like I need you now. Mary Jane, please love me. Mary Jane, please hurt me. Mary Jane, please take me
get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm so in love with you, honestly. Ain't no darkness can stop on the way. 내 눈 속에 날 보면, girl, you make all my heart melt away. Baby, be my Mary Jane. Oh, my Mary Jane. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Mary Jane, please love me. Mary Jane, please hurt me. Mary Jane, please hate me. Mary Jane.
So next it's time for the bling. Yes, girl, my favorite. I'm gonna be using my rainbow bling box because, girl, I have never used it before. Y le he tenido ganas. It's like, when am I gonna use it? When am I gonna use it? So what better time than to do now when I have some bright orange. I feel like this box is perfect for the summer. I mean, you can use it any time of the year, but girlfriend, why not right now? Bright is in. And I'm also using the, I call it the gold and silver nail art box or something like that. And everything that I'm using is pretty much from zuleisnails.bigcartown.com. You can find whatever you need except a boyfriend or a girlfriend. I have all kinds of goodies, nail tips, nail glue, nail decor, brushes, files, whatever. Okay, even mugs. Okay, girl. So I'm just going to be adding the bling in no specific like design. I didn't even know what I was going for. To be honest, I didn't really like this design at first, and I was like, what in the world am I making? This is ugly. But then, you know what, girl, it looks fly. I just kept adding and adding until I was super happy with it. And sometimes if you overthink designs, they will be ugly. So just add as you go. So you can see that I go from the bottom of the nail to the top of the nail, and then I keep adding. That's the way it goes, girl. It just flows. Your little juices flow. And I didn't want to do like a fully bling bling. I mean, some of you are gonna be like, girl, that's fully bling, but no, it ain't. It's still bling enough where you can see the nude color and you get to appreciate it, you know? If it would have been like a solid orange or a solid color, it would be too much going on. But I feel like whenever you're gonna do like a more blingy nail, the nude backgrounds tone them down and they allow to pop. If you understand me, raise your hand, girl. Alright, well, that's the end of the video. Make sure to give my video a thumbs up and tell your little homegirls about Zulei's YouTube. Go follow Zulei. She has cool videos or whatever you think I am. She likes to say bad words, fuck that bitch or whatever, honey. But tell them to go follow me because we need some love up in here. And I'll let you guys keep watching the rest of the bling nail. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.